Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 7 coordinate geometry. In that, the problems on section formula. Now, see the question Anna here. Find the point which divides the line segment joining the points 3, 5 and 8, 10 internally. Okay, so we want to find the point P of x comma y. See, so this is the required for understanding purpose. I am drawing diagram. So AB is a line segment. A 3, 5, B 8, 10. A point P divides the line segment in the ratio 2:3. So we don't know it's the line segment. Okay, students. Now see its solution. Let P of x comma y be the required point. Want what now? P of x comma y be the required point. What is the ratio? The ratio is given 2:3. A line segment P divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:3. Now what is the point? So we use the section formula. ఇక్కడ మనకి required అంటమ్మా, that is the section formula. Now, so this is the required formula. P of x comma y is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So this is the required section formula. Now we take this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So m1 means 2 and m2 means that is 3. Then substitute the x1 x2 and m1 m2 values in this place. P of x comma y is equals to m1 means that is 2 of x2 means the value is 8 plus m2 means 3, x1 means that is 3 only by m1 plus m2 means that is 2 plus 3 comma next here also m1 y2 m1 value is 2 of y2 means that is 10 plus m2 means the value is 3 of m1 y1 means that is 5 by m1 plus m2 means that is 2 plus 3. Now see here 2 of 18, 2 18 sir that is 16, 2 8 sir that is 16 plus 3 3 sir 9 by 2 plus 3 that is what now 5 comma 2 10 sir 20 plus 3 5 sir 15 by 2 plus 3 that is 5. Now 16 plus 9 that is 25 by 5 comma 20 plus 15 what that is 35 by 5. So you can cancel 5 answer 5 5 sir 25 5 answer 5 7 sir 35. Okay, so we get the required point P of x comma y is equals to that is 5 7. Okay now students, so now the line segment AB P divides P means the point 5 comma 7. It divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:3. So the same problem we can change in, if you know the point, then how to find the ratio. Just now the ratio is given, we find out the required point. Now point is given, then how to find the ratio. So then see, in this problem just now given A line segment AB, A of 3 comma 5 and B of that is 8 comma 10, yes, and the required point P of x comma y, that is we get what nana మనకి ఏమొచ్చింది 5 comma 7 we get, yes. We don't know the ratio. ఇప్పుడు just now in problem is given ratio is 2:3, but we don't know. We know only the line segment and the required point P of x comma y. Then how to find the ratio? అంటే ఈ P of x comma y it in what ratio it divides the line segment? ఏ రేషియోలో ఇది డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది? The same formula, section formula only. P of x comma y is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, so clearly we know the point P of x comma y means that is what nano 5 comma 7. You write 5 comma 7 is equals to A, you can take it as x1 y1 and it has x2 y2. So you don't know the ratio. ikkada m1 is to m2 is equals to r. ikkada a ratio lo divide chestundi manam find out cheyali. Okay, so that's why I don't know this ratio. m1 place you write m1 only. m1 x2 means the value of x2 is 8 plus m2 means we don't know, x1 means that is 3 by m1 plus m2 means that is what nana m1 plus m2 only. Okay, comma next m1 y2 means m1 y2 means the value is 10 plus m2 y1 means that is 5 by m1 plus m2 means m1 plus m2 only. Okay, now what I'm saying, the first x, the value of x is 5, it is corresponding for the this part, and the value of y that is 7, it is also corresponding for the this part. If you want the ratio m1 is to m2, you take x coordinate, that is this one, or y coordinate, ఈ రెండింటిని ఈక్వేట్ చేయాలి, అదర్వైజ్ యూ ఈక్వేట్ దీస్ టూ. సో ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఎక్స్ కోఆర్డినేట్, ఇది రెండు ఈక్వల్ చేస్తున్నాం. నా ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, ద కరస్పాండింగ్ 5 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు m1 into 8 means that is what nana 8 m1 plus m2 into 3 means that is 3 m2 by m1 plus m2. Now వీటిని ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేస్తున్నాం ఫ్రమ్ into quantity, the division quantity is transposed into LHSI, it becomes what nana into quantity. So 5 of m1 plus m2 is equals to that is 8 m1 plus 3 m2. Now 5 into m1 that is 5 m1 plus 5 into m2 that is 5 m2, that is equals to 8 m1 plus 3 m2. Now what I am doing here, 3 m2 is transposing to LHS side, 5 m1 is transposing to RHS side. What I am doing here, 3 m2 ni LHS side transpose chestunna and 5 m1 ni RHS side transpose chestunna. Then what happens, see, దట్ ఈస్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి 5m2 minus ఇక్కడ plus 3m2 transposing to LHS side, it becomes minus 3m2, and here 8m1 is there, plus 5m1 transposing to RHS side, it becomes minus 5m1. Then 5m2 minus 3m2 means we get that is 2m2, that is equals to 8m1 minus 5m1 means that is 8 minus 5 ante 3m1. So then again what I am doing, m2 is transposing to RHS side and 3 is transposing to LHS side. Ante into quantities are becomes, when we are transposing into quantity from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, into quantities becomes division quantity. So ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది, 2 by ఈ 3 అనేది ఇట్ సైడ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది, దెన్ into quantities becomes division quantity, that is equals to, here m1 is there, m2 is transposing to LHS side, it becomes division quantity. So we can write 2:3 అంటే 2/3 ఈ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఫామ్లో ఉన్నదాన్ని మనం రేషియోగా ఎలా రాయొచ్చు, 2:3, then it is equals to m1 by m2 means that is m1:m2. So this is the required ratio, means the point P, it divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:3. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఈ ప్రాబ్లంలో మనం ఏం డిస్కస్ చేసాం, రేషియో ఇస్తే పాయింట్ P ఆఫ్ x, yని ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, అదే పాయింట్ P ఆఫ్ x, y ఇచ్చేస్తే then how to find the ratio. Is it clear? Okay students, now the next problem is midpoint problem. How to find the midpoint? Find the midpoint of the line segment joining the points 2, 7 and minus 12, minus 7. We know in coordinate geometry, if you plot the points on the graph, you get like this. The point A indicates that 2, 7, and the point B, that is 12, minus 7. We will take like this. By joining the 2 points means it's form a line segment. Yes or no? Now what is the point M అంటే మిడ్ పాయింట్, ఈ లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్కి మిడ్ పాయింట్ ఏంటి, m of x, y. ఓకేనా? ఫైండ్ ద మిడ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ద లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ జాయినింగ్ ద పాయింట్స్. ఈ 2 పాయింట్స్ని జాయిన్ చేసినప్పుడు దీని మిడ్ పాయింట్ అనేది ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. See here, we take it as x1 and y1 and it is x2 and y2. The midpoint formula, m of x, y is equals to, that is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, now x1 plus x2 by 2 means x1 value is 2 plus x2 value is what, that is 12 by 2 comma y1 means that is 7 plus y2 means that is minus 7 by 2. Okay na? So what I am doing here, I am simply adding 2 plus 12 and that is 14 by 2 comma 7 plus of minus. This is bracket means of nana, plus of minus, that is minus 7 minus 7 and that is 0 by 2. Now 2 1s are 2 7s are, so 0 by something is always 0 only. Then therefore midpoint m of x, y is equals to, that is 7, 0. Okay na students? So this is the required answer. Okay, thank you.